Happy Tuesday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's Tip of the Day. The date is June 2nd, 2026. And our tip today comes from Eldon Rosenthal's book, The Plaintiff Lawyer's Playbook. If there is a witness that you believe can be impeached at trial, think about how to set the bait. Preparing an outline will force you to think about the best order to use in asking questions. Recall that a discovery deposition is not the time for scathing impeachment. Yeah, so a lot there. The deposition is the time when we can really ask questions, try to find the possible reasons for the impeachment. So in other words, you think you've got this great impeachment, make sure you do. Maybe the defense expert says you can't be injured in a crash at this speed. And you've got a deposition where the expert says the opposite, testifies you can be injured at that speed. Well, that's pretty good, right? You can bring that to trial and show the other side's wrong. And it doesn't always work that way. The expert might be pretty smooth or might honestly say, well, that's a different circumstance. So the deposition is the time you have to figure out strategically, are you saving the scathing impeachment for trial, or do you at least want to try to ask, well, you're saying that you can't be injured at this speed. Is that under any circumstance? Is that whether it's day or night? Is that the angle, or if you have a seatbelt on or not? Especially, throw in there the facts in your case to make sure there's not wiggle room for the expert to get out of it. So it's worth thinking about. And then when you know at trial that you do want to impeach the expert, then I think this is exactly right, to think through what's the sequence. How do you get the expert to really commit to that position? And it's ideal if the expert can do it in front of the jury, not just from reading from the deposition, but really commit. And then there's an impeachment that can be scathing, that can be powerful. Let's take a deep breath together and be grateful to be alive today. May we be mindful of the work we do and the impact it has on others. Every document we draft, every call we make, every argument we present, may it be done with full awareness and intention. May we remember that our work ripples outward in ways we cannot always imagine. May those ripples reduce suffering in the world and increase justice. Now, 3 sounds of the bell to help you enter a sacred place, whether that's a silent meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just let the sounds of the bell wash over you and remind you that your work today matters.